The CDC says there are 5 times as many cases this year in the United States of whooping cough compared to this time last year. Now, the cases are on the rise and they are increasing rapidly. Whooping cough is a respiratory illness that can be difficult to identify. The infection starts with common symptoms like runny nose, a low-grade fever, and a tickly cough, similar to other illnesses. But as it progresses, those infected develop a violent full-body cough. The bacteria that causes whooping cough is spread person to person through the air, frequently at schools, childcare centers, and hospitals. The CDC says antibiotics can help if caught early, but vaccines are the best protection.